You are live there.
How are we doing this evening? We got break 3 of the evening. We got our baseball mixer. We got 2 boxes of Finest, mega box of Prizm, blaster of Bowman Platinum, and 10 fat packs. We'll go through the team list real quick. We had Jesse S. with Atlanta, Everett with the Red Sox, Craig A. with Chicago, Michelle S. with Cleveland, Jeremy T. with Colorado, William C. with Detroit, Trevor B. with Houston, Michelle S. with Kansas City, and Michelle with Los Angeles Angels, and the Brewers, Eric G. with the Twins, and the Mets and the Yankees, Michael B. with the A's, Andrew H. with the Phillies, Travis P. with the Pirates, Eric G. with the Padres, Stephen W. with the Giants, Jeremy C. with the Mariners, David W. with the Rays, Rob S. with the Rangers, David W. with the Blue Jays, and Eric G. with the Nationals. Andy and I were just talking about the last mixer we did. I like mixers. We're pretty new to this. This is probably my 3rd mixer. We got another one going on tomorrow with 3-sport mixer. I think it's kind of fun to do a little of everything, but this one didn't do as well. I'm feeling good about it, though. I'm feeling like we're going to get something decent out of here. So good luck to everybody. Thanks for buying in. I think we're going to start with the Prizm first. Then we'll work our way through the Bowman and then go ahead and do the Finest last. Unless anybody has a different preference, I would be fine with a suggestion.
Seems like a lot of box.
That was the other thing I was thinking of doing. It was Prizm Baseball and Inception Baseball.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I was trying to decide between. We think we might pass up doing either one of those cases for next week, though, and just buy a laptop so that we can stop having technical difficulties.
Yeah, we normally do it on the iPhone. We're on Gabe's phone tonight, so if anything seems blurry or
Mine's older.
if the connection is funky again, then
Dad always takes the
fix it as soon as we
crappier
can.
stuff. Aaron Judge machines. Oh, look at that. You got a Javier Guerrera. Blue Prizm. Numbered to 399. I think these all take them kind of slightly.
For what team? I'm sorry.
San Diego.
Padres is Eric G.
Eric G. Good start. Oh, those only have 4 cards like the Optic. Miguel Sano, Kopech Scorching, Edwin Diaz, Refractor, Prizm. Hopefully that's not our only numbered card in here. Guess they do have the bonus packs as well. I kind of like the Prizm Baseball. We get a Blue Markakis. Vieja. You don't want to be saved. Don't Vieja.
What?
That's his opening song.
Really?
No.
Oh. Don't say that.
Come on, man. Trevor Story, Lumber Inc. That's a cool insert. I hadn't seen that one in the Prizm I had open. Chris Archer Red.
Lumber Inc. It should have a signature on it.
Lumber Inc. Or a bat piece. That's what it should have. Or a signed bat piece. How about that?
I'd be fine with that.
I think there's going to be something good in some of these fat packs here. We got another break Wednesday night, and there's some fat packs in that, but we just did a third of a case break, and we didn't really hit anything too big, so I'm feeling like there's going to be something in one of these guys coming up. Ozzie Smith, we got a Whit Merrifield. Mitt Merrifield. haven't been able to get my hands on any of the Bowman Platinum, so I bought one of those the other day. We got a Chris Sale blue, and it looks like we got an auto, I think, which is pretty cool. I know they come 3 a box in the hobbies. I didn't know if they were going to come with one in this. We got a Jacoby Jones for Pittsburgh.
Pirates is Travis P.
Nice hit, Travis. Get the auto started. I like that there. And the brown guy. Well, that's cool. I didn't know if we were going to get an auto out of that, out of the mega box or not. I thought we should, but it doesn't specify on there. I looked it up. It didn't either. Clemens blue. God, I did a player break with Clemens, and I got about 5 of that card and half a case. Yeah. I did get a couple numbered 1 Sotos too. Oh, nice. Illumination. Not sure if that's just a regular Jesus Aguilar red. If that's just a regular insert there for Trout, but
Trout is who?
Los Angeles Angels, babe.
Michelle S.
Michelle S. They make the card look pretty darn fancy if it's not. Anything special? I don't know if it's a case hit kind of thing or anything like that. I think Prizm would have been the one I ended up going with. Then again, I still like that Inception. Those guys. Alright, we got the Prizm bonus packs. I think it's what, 6 parallels, 3 in each. No, it feels like maybe more than 2. Four maybe. We got a Chris Archer, Danny Jansen, Dwayne Underwood, and a Freddie Peralta. We got a Lindor, Joey Gallo, Trevor Williams, and a Brian Anderson. Just all regular Prizms. We didn't get a number. Take the auto out of the box though. It's kind of better than expected. Alright, we'll go with Platinum.
Yeah, I didn't see any comments. So.
Nobody said a preference?
No.
They said just pull me something nice.
Right.
Whatever it is.
More of those autos.
Yeah. Huh. 4 exclusive parallel cards inside.
Exclusive.
They're in there. Just waiting for us to open them. I haven't seen any of this yet. This is the first I've opened. I've watched a couple breaks, but Jose Ramirez, Platinum Presents. Looks pretty fancy. I looked it up. I found 2 guys selling half blasters of it for a ridiculous price, and I said no. Michael Kopech, rookie. DeGrom, Jose Ramirez. Turn it towards you.
It's a little piece.
Okay. We had our phone fall off our stand in our first break tonight.
And then lost connection.
And then, yeah, overheated in the second one. So we're using my phone. Renowned rookies, Kobe Allard. using my phone for this break. We usually use that one to see if anybody's messaging us, and then we use her phone because it's newer for the camera. But so I think instead of buying Prizm baseball case, it might be a laptop for next week. Oh, look at that, man! Cool. Good deal. Blaster box and a mega box and 2 autos out of it. That does not happen often. That's awesome. For Toronto, Chad Spanberger.
David W.
Go David W. That's pretty darn cool. I'm not sure if that's a good prospect or not, to be honest. For Toronto, I haven't heard of the other 3 big ones, obviously. Well, I guess you can't really call Vlad a prospect anymore, or even Biggio. Wait, is Biggio with Toronto? Bichette is. Is Biggio too? Was it all 3 Bs? And all 3 juniors? Prettiest know, but you do not know. I was asking the public.
Okay. I was going to say.
You're just holding the camera, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. Actually, you're probably going to end up knowing more than most.
I'm learning.
Yeah. Brendan Rodgers. Got a Seth Beer. Prismatic Prodigies. Prismatic. I thought that was an E at the end. Pujols. Cedric Mullins. De La Cruz, Marte, Rafael Devers, love him. Ryan O'Hearn. We already got an auto. I don't think we're going to get... Maybe we get something with a number on it. Yeah, something with a number on it here. Duplantier. Jose Abreu, Stanton, and Nola. Alright. Our platinum exclusive parallel cards are inside. Oh, Pujols. Oh, they're all like that. Mullins, Keegan Thompson, and oh, cool. I don't know if it's just a base parallel or whatever, but that's a good one to hit. Mr. Franco, not James. Wander.
For the race.
Tampa Bay.
David
W.
Go, bud.
You like that box? I like that one. Nice card. Alright, we'll go through the fat packs now. Ooh, fat packs.
You should just sing the whole thing.
Whoa, fat packs. Alright, yeah. Bellinger. You got a
David
Gore.
said I do.
Grayson
Like
Rodriguez.
the last box.
Cole Winn. Joey Wentz, Platinum. Sanchez. Jared Klenick, rookie. Mauricio. We got a Joey Bart. Was the out of the 36 packs, that was actually the one decent hit. We got a Joey Bart numbered to, what was it, 149?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, we didn't get any autos, right? Did we get an auto?
Didn't we get one auto?
We did get one auto. Otani. Romero.
I want to
First
say
Bowman,
we actually got the
Richardson.
auto, didn't we?
Maybe.
Is that it?
Aaron
that's just one
Judge.
of the-
No, that's the 30th
I
anniversary.
hate those.
First time we opened some of these, she says, "Babe, I got an auto." And it was Soto, too. I was like, sweet. And then it was one of those. Jordan Alvarez, Forrest Whitley, and Seth Beer pipeline. It's a pretty good one. Be a nice one to get. I don't know if they have trio autos. I think they might. McKay, Burke, Platinum. That'd be a nice one to get, though.
Right.
I think then the Toronto one has Bichette and Vlad on it. You might mind Tucker being on that one instead with Alvarez. Something colorful back there. Don't look, Urias. We got a regular Wonder Platinum. Oh, an old school player actually out of the Bowman numbered card. Got a blue paper. You don't see that often. At least I haven't. Tristan McKenzie ready for the show. Look at that. A regular Wander after the chrome. McKenzie ready for the show. Alexander. Amaya. We got Goldschmidt for the Cardinals. I think that was us tonight, wasn't it? No one grabbed the cards. I don't think they're really like, oh man, I wish I would have got that Goldschmidt. But it's a number nonetheless. That's stuff that goes in my baseball bags. Wander Franco. A bad little hit there. Not the number I meant. Not a Paul Goldschmidt. Maybe 10 years ago. When Arizona actually had a player that you would do a box break for if they had box breaks 10 years ago. Martinez. Chrome. Rookie of the Year favorites, Tucker. We usually are lucky with him. Joey Bart, base. Whitley, Ramos, and Baker. Chrome. We got one more fat pack break on Wednesday night. And we got in the back there, we got a Tri-Sport mixer tomorrow. You can check those out on eBay if you're on Facebook and want a link. I think they pretty much are all posted somewhere. Don't be afraid to message us though if you got a question. Morjan? That's what I would, yeah.
More or less.
Ruiz. Terang. Oh, look at this, man. Yay. You're getting lucky in this little break. I had a good feeling about the mixer. I like mixers, yeah.
For who?
It looks like Pittsburgh again. Didn't we have something for Pittsburgh already? We got a James Marvel first Bowman. Looks like a sticker auto, but it isn't auto nonetheless. Travis P. That's making me want to look now. Yeah, we did. Look at that. Pittsburgh being a heavy hitter so far tonight. Nothing wrong with getting an auto and everything so far before we get to the 2 guaranteed autos. And we got a Joey Bart and Eloy Jimenez chrome, followed by a Peter Alonso base rookie. That was a sick little pack. And a Morion too. Forgot about the Morion.
Yeah. Travis said killing it for me tonight, guys. And David said keep it going.
Jimenez. Yeah, not bad. Joey Bart, Jimenez, and Franco chrome too with an auto and a numbered Goldschmidt. Goldsmith. Oh, and we got a green in there. Look at us go.
What was the green called?
Green Shimmer.
Green Shimmer. That's just fun.
Lawson. Kyle Wright. Oh, it's not a shimmer though. It's a paper.
Oh.
It's not a shimmer. Perez, Jeter Downs, Abreu chrome, Lambert chrome, Brian Mata chrome, Vlad regular base regular. Sounds funny. It's a Vlad regular. Huh? Another number. We'll take it. A couple of papers, but. MJ Melendez for Kansas City.
Michelle S for Kansas City.
There we go.
Oh, sorry, I'm shaking the camera.
Cut it out.
Tell you what.
Alright, let's see if we can get one more number out of these last 4 before we go to the finest.
I'm thinking for tomorrow we can probably buy another one of those magnets.
We haven't had a Jeff Kelly horseshoe in a while. We've only used it for like 4 breaks.
I know.
Oh boy. Good lord.
What?
Shh.
Oh.
Shh.
Don't say it.
Canning. Kyle Tucker, Rookie of the Year favorite. Oh boy. Sweet.
Ooh.
We got a green shimmer. Eloy Jimenez.
Sorry. For who?
Eloy Jimenez for the White Sox.
White Sox. Hey, that's for you, babe.
That's for me?
Yeah.
This Eloy Jimenez?
That's for you right there.
All right. It's for not doing that great in the break. Not that I don't want everybody to get good cards, but... And then, you know, that, like I was saying, that's the kind of stuff that I put back out there anyway in the team bags and player bags. And good little stack for not even getting to the finest.
Right?
Hernandez Chrome, Acevedo Chrome, Green Shimmer.
Was that you, or what you went about?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Canning, Kyle Tucker, Rookie of the Year. I did that one. Did those. All right, let's get one more for somebody else. No whammies. Little numbers. I don't see no shimmer. Acuna, Jeff McNeil. Got a Florio Chrome, Paddock Chrome, Pipeline, Austin Beck, Skybolt, and Luzardo. That'd be a good trio too. Collins, Cabrera, Medina, Beer, more John. Luciano, I haven't seen any of him other than base yet either. I don't know if he's in here or what. In our Bowman Fat Packs, that one got driven up all the way to $56, and then the guy was a no-show. You got Bart and Luciano in that. That must be why that one gets so high. Bellinger. I have yet to pull anything good for Bellinger either. Gorman, Hayes. What we got there? Joe Adele, that's right. Chisholm, Widner, and Clark. Arizona Pipeline. Cole Tucker, Acevedo, Tavares, Chrome, Kirlikov, Chrome, Bichette and Beer, paper. All right, last fat pack. Let's get something out of here. I'm going to stick by the mixers. I'm looking forward to doing the Tri-Sport one. Mandy definitely had a hand in help and coming up with that one, creating that one with me. It was fun to pick out what we wanted to put in it. And oh, nice. We got a Victor Mesa Chrome. Widner, top 100. Mountcastle ready for the show. Webb Chrome, Costello Chrome, Reagan's Chrome. Mesa. Oh, so we pretty much got 4 of the solid rookies for Chromes. And a numbered, 2 numbered, 3 numbers. And an auto. Not a bad little fat pack.
Stuff.
Not a bad little fat pack break. Alright, here we go. And the goodies at the end. I don't know why, if I just hit these too late or what, but I have failed miserably on my Topps Finest. Luckily, we did open a box and got a couple cool autos out of them. Got a nice Urias numbered and a... Oh, Jesus. The other guy for San Diego. Oh, Franmil race. And then we had nobody claimed the White Sox the other night for our break, and we ended up with an Eloy Jimenez auto, so that was cool. I like the Finest. I think I got on the train a little bit late, I think, with that. Sometimes that can be a hit or miss if you try to get the new stuff and you're a little late. It doesn't go so well. You either got to be ahead of the ball or behind the ball, it seems like, from what I'm finding out. But we're figuring it out as we go, so. And we're having fun with the people that have been good and collecting little cards and learning new stuff technology-wise, so. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully we post something cool here. Otani's another one I have not pulled anything of myself. Seems like we get those Pittsburgh guys, Newman and Kramer, quite a bit. I feel like we pulled a good amount of Jake Cave and...
Otani doesn't have like a thing where
he only has a signature for certain brand. I'm not
something.
sure, to be honest with you. He could. Bregman. Prize Performers Votto. Pete Alonso rookie. Blue Chips Torres. Bogarts. We got a Stroman. Refractor. Ooh, nice.
Ooh.
Rayu. J. Hat Blue Chips. Jimenez rookie. We got a Trout. It's not a Prizm, is it? No. Corbin Burns looks like Prizm or refractor. Excuse me. Corbin Burns refractor, and a Josh Bell. So for this side of the box, we got a Robinson Cano for the Mets. Purple, numbered to 250.
Mets is Eric G.
Have I heard that name before in this break, I feel like?
Yes.
Yes. You go Eric G. And then for the auto for this side, for the Cleveland Indians. No, that's right. Carlos is no longer an Indian. He is a Philadelphia Philly.
Andrew H.
Andrew H. There you go. That's a nice one right there. Numbered to 99. I feel like Andrew H. has picked up a lot of stuff for us lately, has he not? So that's cool right there.
I just want to say he picked up like 6 teams in this one.
And we would have been Cleveland, right? No. Alright, I was going to say, I didn't want to mess anybody up there, but sorry about that. I forgot that Santana was on the Phillies. Seems like he was on Cleveland forever. Hard to picture him anywhere else. Alright. Pumped that we got already 3 autos before we got to this finest.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So tomorrow we got what? Court Cadence has 2. Legacy's got 2. Finest has 2. I don't know about. Oh, you got 2
Leaf
autos
has
in the
2.
Leaf, so that's 10. We're gonna get 1 more in the Bowman Fat Pack. That's 11, and we're gonna get 1 in the Optic too. So that's 12 autos, I'd say tomorrow. All right, maybe I'm being optimistic. We'll shoot for 11. And some kind of cool refractor. A gold one. We haven't seen a gold one yet. What are we? We're better than halfway through that case now, right? From the Bowman
Yes.
Fat Packs.
Well.
Well, we did 36. We got 10 tonight. We opened a couple.
Yeah.
You gotta open a couple Fat Packs when you get them.
Jesus.
Got a Mookie Betts refractor.
Done with the Fat Packs.
Mookie Betts refractor. Tatis rookie base. It'd be nice if that was something. Gurriel Blue Chips. Mookie regular. Goldschmidt. Bryce Harper Prize Performers. Chris Bryant. Correa, hopefully he comes back because I have him on like 3 fantasy teams. Needs to hurry up with his rib problem. Got a Kyle Tucker, first finest rookie. It's a nice one. Justice Sheffield. Matt Chapman Blue Chips. Where is it? Oh, wow. Nice. We finally got one of him, too. There's another one. Good deal. Who's got Atlanta? Jesse S. I think that might be is that a newcomer or somebody we...
I'm not sure.
That one doesn't ring a bell? There we go. Acuna for Atlanta. That's nice. Jesse S. I told you this break was going to be good. Huh. Been nice if they threw a number on that, but we're not going to be choosers. No. Alright. The last box. Good luck. What a good case this has been so far, huh?
Right.
We had a Tatis auto. And our last break. an Acuna. We got a Kyle Tucker, a Urias, a Jimenez. Holy smokes. This has been a good one. Holy smokes. Can't tell I'm from New Hampshire.
It's a wicked good break.
Yeah, wicked good. All right, good luck, everybody. Pujols. Oh, I'm going through them on a pack after I did it the other way last time. That's
Right.
switching it up for the last play. Gets the people going. Bring it up again. Justice Sheffield, Matt Olson, Blue Chips. Thought that was going to be the auto for a second. I saw Braves. I saw blue. I was like, yes. Oh, we got Braves again. Jesse S. is that?
Jesse S.
Tukey Tucson, blue to
Not
150.
a bad break.
Gets the people going. I don't know what
Rocket.
that means. Uh-oh, there it is, isn't it? No. Oh, it is too. I thought it was just one of those regular. I got that same card without the auto on it earlier. Yeah, I did it when we broke the last box we broke. Last two. We got a Bo rookie.
For David W.
Toronto.
Guess we kept it going for you, bud.
Lindor and Ballinger, yeah. Yeah, I thought the prices people got for this one tonight were pretty solid, but nothing wrong with giving customers some good stuff every now and again. Got a Juan Soto refractor. I like him. Acuna, and obviously, who doesn't like Acuna? Lindor, I don't know, something about... Maybe the Hispanic guys are a little more humble or something. Seems like I like a few of them. Acuna, Lindor, definitely. I guess then you think of some big personalities like Manny. Tatis, I like Tatis as well. Benintendi, Mookie, Manny and Pedro. And Pappy, obviously, but can't not love the Pappy. Molina, Stroman, Chris Bryant. Alright. Last side here, let's get another big auto. Let's see an Ohtani with the Acuna. Get both of them right out of the way with this box. Or with this break. Barrios, Refractor, Rowdy-Tellez, Yelich. We haven't seen a Yelich either, but didn't somebody tell us that he's only in a certain brand? I think he's on
that.
Yeah, Chris and Yelich. I can't remember. He's in one. He's signed to one of them anyway. Finest Blue Chips, DeJong. We got a Vlad, base rookie, I believe. Yep. Ohtani. We have got a lot of Vlad, so I wouldn't be surprised either if that's what we pulled on this. That would be gross with the rest of the break. Oh, no way. There you go, Dave. 2 different Bo rookies in the same box.
That is crazy.
Crazy. Holy cow. Have a Bo rookie. Hopefully you're watching him pitch and hoping he's improving. He hasn't been too bad. Huh. That's a tough division to pitch in, though. Just in general. Wow. There you go, Dave.
Crazy.
Urias. Sometimes it seems like those one or two guys really catch fire. We had a guy set a record, Nick H. I forget his full last name. He did a full case blaster contenders with us. Of course, there's 40 autos. but he had 6 teams and he got 11 autos out of that box.
Nick Humphreys?
Was it Humphreys? Yeah. Trevor
so.
Story. Refractor.
David said he signed a lot.
Boruck, he signed a lot. Yep. Maybe it means he's a good dude. And it looks like, is he a lefty? I'm partial to lefties. Yeah. No. Hopefully he does well. Aaron Judge. Let's get a number for somebody who hasn't hit something. Don't be afraid to, or don't forget to check out our no hit list tomorrow too. If you're on that, we do a drawing for it on Monday night, or a random for it, for a prize or a place in our 10-card baseball bag. That's actually going on Monday night. That break. Got a Chris Bryant prize performers, and that's gonna wrap it up. Go ahead and do a recap there. Oh yeah, I forgot about that too. Not sure about that insert. I'd have to look that up. Solve the mixer right there. Mike Trout Illuminations. I'm not even sure. It looks pretty fancy, and it's Mike Trout. So.
Cased it.
Yeah, cased it. Wander Franco refractor or Prizm. Rookie. No, that's out of Tops. Huh. Why does it say Tops? The Bowman. Yeah, it's out of the Bowman. Tops makes Bowman. Duh. I forgot we did that platinum. Guerrera. Rookie blue Prizm. Yeah, done too much stuff. $3.99. Melendez green paper to $99. Goldschmidt blue paper to $150. Jimenez green shimmer to $99. We got a Cano purple to $250. Tukey Toussaint blue to $150. And then our autos, we got James Marvel, first Bowman auto. That's my first auto out of Bowman anything. Jacoby Jones out of the Prizm for Pittsburgh. And then we get a Chad Spanberger for the Blue Jays. That was the other Blue Jays auto we had. That's right.
For WWE.
The Bowman Platinum. And our finest autos, we had Carlos Santana, number to 99, green. And Acuna Jr. And 2 Bo Rookies. 2 Bo Rookies in the hand are better than 1. Thanks everybody who joined in. We'll get these shipped out for you on Monday, Tuesday at the latest with anything, but should all be out on Monday. Check out the Tri-Sport Mixer tomorrow. Don't forget to look for that no-hit list, and have a good weekend.